Welcome to The Explainer. For years, artificial intelligence has basically been a purely digital entity. It's been trapped behind the glass of our screens. But today, we're exploring how this AI revolution is literally leaping out of those screens and stepping directly into the physical world. It is finally getting a body.
Picture this. Imagine walking into a factory where thousands of workers never get tired, never ask for a break, and continuously learn from every task they perform. Now, I know that paints a picture of some distant sci-fi future, but the reality is, this exact scenario is actively unfolding right now. And there is one specific company standing right at the center of the whole thing.
Section 1. The Physical AI Revolution, and why it's happening right now. To really grasp why this shift is moving incredibly fast, we have to look at the massive, real-world problems that are demanding an immediate solution.
The immediate stakes here couldn't possibly be higher. On a global scale, we're facing aging populations that are rapidly shrinking our traditional workforce, and that's sitting right alongside severe global labor shortages. At the exact same time, there's this massive push for scaling up smart manufacturing, which is being driven by national strategies prioritizing AI deployment. So when you look at it, the demographic math simply doesn't add up anymore without some kind of major technological intervention. It is basically forcing a rapid transition toward automated physical labor.
There's a really stark contrast between the AI we're used to and the AI that's coming. We all know digital AI, right? These are your chatbots, your text generators, the software stuck inside servers. But physical AI, that represents intelligent robots actually operating, learning, and adapting out in the unpredictable real world. It is a monumental leap from a computer program that can write a poem to a physical machine that can actually pick up and turn a wrench.
Moving to Section 2. Meet Zhiyuan Robotics, or Agibot's origins. Let's zoom in on one of the fastest-growing companies driving this incredible shift. They operate out of Shanghai, China, and they go by the name Agibot, formerly known as Zhiyuan Robotics.
Now, the absolute most crucial point to understand about Agibot, they were founded in 2023. Just think about that. To go from a startup on paper in 2023 to building an entire mass production superfactory in such a short window, it's absolutely staggering. It really highlights just how rapidly this specific sector of the tech industry is moving.
The mastermind behind this highly compressed timeline is their founder, Peng Zhihui, widely known in the tech community as Zhihui. His personal journey is super fascinating. He actually left a highly secure job at a major tech giant to risk it all on one bold mission: to build general-purpose robots that can seamlessly live and work alongside us in our daily lives.
Section 3. Embodied AI Explained. Brains meet brawn. To fully understand his vision, we've got to decode the highly complex technology that is making all of this possible.
The big breakthrough concept here is called embodied AI. Put simply, this is artificial intelligence that interacts with the physical environment through a robotic body. It's the ultimate merger of software brains with mechanical brawn. Without a body, AI can only talk to us. But with an embodied form, AI can actually do things for us.
This intelligence comes together across three critical steps. First up, perception and vision. The robot has to accurately see and understand the chaotic physical space around it. Second is the robot brain, which is powered by massive AI foundation models. It processes that visual data using reinforcement learning, which is essentially trial and error, kind of like a toddler learning to stack wooden blocks. And finally, motion planning and dexterous manipulation. This is where it translates a digital thought into a precise physical movement. Think about picking up a super fragile object without crushing it.
But how does a machine learn to do this perfectly without breaking everything? Data. Data is the ultimate fuel for humanoid intelligence. Just like large language models need billions of words to learn how to write, these physical robots need massive amounts of real-world movement data and incredibly complex digital simulation environments. This data collection is what powers that rapid training so they can actually function safely in our unpredictable world.
All right, Section 4. The Agibot roster, a diverse lineup. By putting all that theory into practice, the company has rapidly developed an impressive array of physical machines.
Agibot's current lineup is seriously diverse. They aren't just building one robot and calling it a day. You have models like the Yuanzhang A2, which is geared specifically toward heavy industrial automation, using high degrees of freedom and advanced vision. Then there's the Lynxi, focused entirely on delicate manipulation, using highly dexterous robotic hands and complex sensors. They've also got the Agile Go one for research and the X one, which integrates those AI foundation models for general-purpose tasks. They're essentially building an entire robotic workforce tailored to entirely different needs.
To get these complex robots out of the lab and into the real world, Agibot set up a massive production facility in Shanghai. And we are not talking about some boutique workshop here. They are heavily focused on high-capacity automated production lines, rigorous quality testing, and advanced calibration zones. By deeply integrating their supply chain, they are aiming for totally unprecedented mass production goals. They literally want to manufacture humanoids the exact same way we manufacture cars today.
Furthermore, they definitely aren't working in a vacuum. Agibot is actively building out a massive embodied AI ecosystem. They're forming strategic collaborations with top universities, partnering up with leading AI software companies, and building vast manufacturing alliances. By integrating so deeply with smart factories, they're making sure that when their robots roll off the assembly line, there's already an infrastructure ready and waiting to employ them.
Which brings us to Section 5, the global humanoid race, a fierce AI landscape. Let's zoom back out a bit to see how Agibot's rapid scaling actually fits into the broader, fiercely competitive global picture. Looking at the big picture, we are seeing a global race really heating up. On one side, we have Agibot's approach, pushing an AI-first architecture, fast iteration, large-scale training, and rapid deployment. But man, they are operating in a super crowded field. You have Western giants like Tesla and Figure AI bringing massive resources to the table, right alongside other huge Chinese robotics firms like UBTECH, Unitree, Engine AI, and Fourier Intelligence. Every single one of them is utilizing distinct AI-driven strategies, and we're all just watching to see whose approach scales the most effectively.
When you map this chronologically, the historical weight of it is undeniable. Steam engines gave us the very first industrial revolution. Electricity brought the second. Computers gave us the third, and now, intelligent humanoid robots represent the monumental fourth revolution in human history. We are watching the absolute next major shift in how human labor is fundamentally defined.
Agibot's vision scales far beyond just the factory floor, too. Sure, it starts with automated logistics and tireless labor in smart factories, but eventually it expands to support and assistance in healthcare settings, customer service roles in retail, and finally, an everyday helpful presence right inside our living rooms. So yeah, fingers crossed, we can finally outsource folding the laundry. Well, that leaves us with a truly profound question to wrap up this explainer. Whether Agibot defines this era or not, the age of embodied AI has undeniably begun. So, how will humanity adapt to living and working alongside intelligent robots? It's a wildly fascinating shift. Thanks so much for exploring this with me today. And hey, keep your eyes on the physical world around you. It is changing fast.